Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today I'm going to bring you a hamstring and glute workout you can do from home, from the comfort of your home. The way we are going to do this workout, 40 seconds on and then we rest 30 seconds and then we move on. Exercise. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is Coach Remy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to training you fun, challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home or anywhere else that fits. Let's get right to our workout. Stand upright tall, and first thing we're going to do is you do airplane and then you open hip, you pull the leg down, airplane, open the hip. Let's do like this. We do airplane, you open hip, and you pull the leg down, open, leg down. This is good for the hip joint, opening it up. Removes the tightness you might be having. Alright, next one we are going to be doing kickback with straight legs. First we bend forward and each time bring the leg backward alternately. Squeeze the glute when you're bringing the leg, kicking back. Find the balance as well. For the hamstring and the glute. So the leg that is down is feeling some hamstring stretch, while the side that you're kicking back, you're squeezing or contracting the glute. Beautiful. Next one, we are going to lateral leg raise. It's like this, slight bend forward, and then bring the leg slowly down, and then you go on the other side. So this is good for hip abductors. So the side of the glute. Find balance. I was losing the balance a little bit. Bring the leg down slowly. Don't let the gravity do the work. Resist. Core tight as well. Alright. Now we are going down on the mat. Do the tabletop. Now we are going to do one side and then we go to the other side. So you do kick back to fire hydrant. Kick back, fire hydrant, kick back. You stay on one side and afterwards we're going to switch. Core tight and the back is in the neutral position. Your eyes should be looking between your fingers, between the palm of your hands. Okay, now we go on the other side. The same exercise. Spine in the neutral position. You do kick back, fire hydrant, kick back. Don't do like this. The leg stays bent. And make sure you're squeezing the glutes. Beautiful. Now we are going to leg circles, the leg that we did first. So you do inward circles, 20 seconds, and then 20 seconds outward circle. So the leg stays straight. Core tight. Okay, switch the rotation, the direction of rotation. Okay, the other side, the same exercise, leg circles. Core tight as well, spine in neutral position. Okay, change direction of rotating the leg. Alright, beautiful. Now let's do fingers are facing backward. So sit down, bend your legs. Okay? And now we're going to be coming up. Squeeze the glutes and contract the hamstring. This works the hamstrings, the glutes, and a little bit the lower back. Okay, now let's hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, 3 more rounds. Now we're going to alternate glute bridge. So each time we do like this, up, up, and each time we contract the hamstring and the glute of the leg that is down. Put the head down and look at the ceiling. And also contract the core for a good movement. Keep your spine straight. Beautiful. 2 final exercises. Let's do side balance with leg raises. Alright, let's go. So for this side, for the leg that is down, we are working the lateral glute And for this leg, we are working the hip adductors as well. So this one is isometrically working. This is a very nice exercise. And we are also working the obliques as well. So the core should be tight. Wonderful. Let's go on the other side. So you make sure that the leg is straight, elbow right below your shoulder. Okay, let's finish strong. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, and if you did find value in this workout or in this video, give it a thumbs up and share with 1 or 2 friends. I want to reach 1K subscribers, so see you. Help me reach 1K subscribers so that I can continue sharing fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. I want to guide I want to inspire as many people to fitness. You don't need any subscription. So type in the comment section how this workout felt for you and share with 1 or 2 friends. See you in the next workout.